Doncic gets into the lane, puts it up and in.
Great finish, splitting defenders.
That's what Will Boyd called Yang time. Look at that, the dunk at the other end by Krampel.
Oh, pinpoint passing. Oh my goodness, what a pass.
Doncic picks up his first assist. And trying to ignite this Italy team. Fontecchio looks good, is good.
The supporting cast.
Oh, we saw Edo Muric get a three. Oh, look at the jam! Deal with the dunk.
This is an exclamation point right here. Finishing at the rim.
You better not get in his way.
Oh.
If he's going to the fridge, just leave it aside. Nice cut, and Fontecchio for the jam. That's more like it for Italy.
Great play to start the second half. Decoy action, away to come back, baseline.
Doncic a long three. Gallinari gets it up from deep. He makes it! What a big play right off the bench. Gallinari, that's good.
And Jeff, that's a little.
Nicholas pulls up. Clangs it. Offensive rebound and put back by Doncic. Gallinari hands it off. Yang!
Great pass from Gallinari.
Fontecchio, he's got the 4 fouls. He turns. Gets it to Melli. Melli hits a huge three! Under 2 minutes to go. Fontecchio, it's a long two. It's good! They got to go quick, Italy. Oh, and look at that, the steal, and Hrovat lays it up and in. Italy are going to be signing off from this competition. A frustrating ending to their EuroBasket campaign.